What if I told you there's a digital version of you out there, making smarter financial decisions? Welcome to the world of financial digital twins, a futuristic, AI-powered money mentor that's already changing how we handle our finances. Today, we're breaking down financial digital twins, what they are, how they work, and why they could be the future of personal finance. What is a financial digital twin? Imagine having a virtual clone of your financial life, one that knows your spending habits, income patterns, and savings goals better than you do. That's what a financial digital twin is, an AI-powered digital replica of your financial journey. Think of it as a financial GPS that tracks every transaction, analyzes your spending patterns, predicts your financial future, and, yes, offers personalized money strategies. It's like having a financial advisor who works 24/7 without charging you hefty fees. How it works? So, how does this digital wizardry work? Let's break it down into 3 simple layers. 1. Data collection. Your twin gathers information from your bank accounts, credit cards, bills, and investments. 2. AI analysis. It identifies spending habits, spots risks, and predicts future expenses. For example, it might flag that you spend too much online shopping or predict an upcoming big expense, like a holiday or birthday party. 3. Personalized recommendations. Based on its analysis, your twin gives you tailored advice, such as saving strategies, smarter spending habits, or ways to negotiate lower utility bills. Real-world examples. Here's how financial digital twins are making life easier. 1. Predictive budgeting. They warn you before you overspend or suggest where you can cut back. 2. Smart investment planning. They recommend investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. 3. Bill management. Your twin might suggest cheaper options for your subscriptions or negotiate better deals. Benefits and challenges. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of using a financial digital twin. The benefits: 24/7 financial monitoring, that's personalized advice tailored just for you, early warnings about potential financial pitfalls, and smarter decision making. The challenges: data privacy concerns, dependence on accurate and complete data, trusting AI with big financial decisions, and a learning curve during setup. Practical tips for getting started. Ready to dive into the world of financial digital twins? Here are 3 quick tips to get started. 1. Go digital. Use online banking and financial tracking apps to streamline your data. 2. Set goals. Clear financial goals make your twins' advice more actionable. 3. Stay engaged. Review your twins' insights regularly and adjust based on your needs. Remember, this is a partnership. You and your twin are a team. Financial digital twins aren't just a tech trend. They're the future of money management. Imagine having your AI assistant helping you save, invest, and grow your wealth while focusing on living your best life. Now, it's your turn. Would you trust AI with your financial decisions? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to *Wealth Wisdom 360 * for more cutting-edge financial insights. Let's make smarter money moves together.